Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Daily. I am Abdul, and today I want to share a powerful message with you. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. This video will motivate you, help you practice English language, and show you how small steps can create big changes in your life. So, let's begin. Why we wait for perfect in our life. Many people want to learn English, but they wait. They wait for the perfect time. They wait for the perfect teacher. They wait to feel confident. They wait to feel ready. They wait for good conditions. But guess what? There is no perfect time. There is only now. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to learn swimming. If you keep standing outside the pool and thinking, "I will swim when I am ready," be sure you will never learn swimming. To learn, you must jump into the water and start swimming. English is the same. You learn by starting, not by waiting for good conditions. The fear of making mistakes. Many learners feel scared to speak English because they think they will make mistakes. They think people will laugh. They think their accent is bad. They think their grammar is not perfect. They think they do not know more English words. Let me tell you something very important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake helps you grow in your life. Every wrong sentence teaches you a better one. Every attempt makes you stronger. When babies learn to walk, they fall many times. But still, they walk and continue. When you learn English, you will fall sometimes, but that's how you learn. So don't hide your mistakes. Use them to become better. Start small, start easy, start now. You don't have to start big. You don't need to speak perfect English today. Start small. Start simple. Start now. Here are some easy things you can do. Learn 5 new words every day. Watch good English videos. Speak 1 minute of English to yourself in the mirror. Read a small English paragraph. Write 3 English sentences about your day. These small steps create big results over time. Remember, 1 drop of water does not fill a river, but many drops do. The same is true for English language. A simple motivational story. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man who wanted to learn guitar. He loved music, but he always said, "I will start when I buy a better guitar. I will start when I have more free time. I will start when I feel ready." Years passed. He didn't start. One day, he saw a little boy sitting outside with a broken guitar. The boy had only 3 strings. The guitar was old and damaged, but the boy was smiling and playing music. The man asked, "How can you play music with this old guitar?" The boy said, "I don't need the perfect guitar. I just need to start playing." At that moment, the man understood something important. Perfection is not the beginning of success. Starting is very important. This story is true for your English too. Your grammar does not need to be perfect. Your accent does not need to be perfect. Your sentences do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. Practice with me. Now let's practice speaking together. Repeat after me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to start. Every day, I will learn something new. I am improving step by step. I can speak English. I am confident. I am learning. I am growing. Great job! If you repeat these sentences every day, your confidence will grow. How to improve English language every day. Here are some powerful habits. 1. Listen to English daily. Even 10 minutes a day helps a lot. 2. Speak without fear. Speak to yourself, to friends, or to your phone. Just speak. 3. Watch English videos with subtitles. This improves vocabulary and pronunciation. 4. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. 5. Celebrate small progress. Learned a new word? Be proud. Spoke a sentence? Be proud. Watched a video in English? Be proud. Small wins become big success. The power of consistency. If you practice English only once a month, you will not improve. But if you practice 10 minutes every day, or 20 minutes every day, or even 5 minutes every day, your English will grow fast. Why? Because consistency is stronger than perfection. Success comes from doing something again and again, not from waiting for the perfect moment. Closing message. So remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start speaking. Start listening. Start learning. Start practicing. Every day you start again, you get closer to your goal. Thank you for watching English Practice Daily. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn English. See you in the next videos.